Hi friends, welcome to Art Hour with Mrs. Paul. Today we will be creating our Square One fundraiser art piece. And so you're going to be receiving one sheet of the Square One fundraiser paper. Now, you have to draw light until you've got it right because you only get one. Today we're going to be creating a bird for our piece. And so I have a few bird images and you get to choose one out of the bin. So I'm going to pick this one today to work from. And so the first thing I'm going to do on my paper is I'm going to write my name, and my name will go at the top of the paper. You'll see one set of blocks and then another set of blocks. My first name, which is Allison, will be going into the first set of blocks, A-L-I-S-O-N. My last name will go into the second set of blocks underneath, and each letter will go inside each block. For school name, you can just do O-E-S. For grade, you can do 3. And then for teacher, you can write your teacher's name. Now today, I'm going to be working with a Sharpie, but you will get a pencil to work with. I'm working with a Sharpie so you can see it in the video. Now I'm going to first start by observing the bird, and I'm going to use my eyes to observe and look at the shapes of the bird. So right now I'd like you to look at the bird and tell me what shape it is. You're right, it's kind of like an oval. So I'm going to make an oval bird shape. Now when you first draw the bird, you want to make sure that you draw it really, really, really large. And I'll draw the little beak there. And it comes like that. And then now I'm going to look at the wing shape, and it's kind of like a triangle, and it comes down below the bird. And then I can draw the details within the bird, like the head, where it separates the colors there, the eye, look at the eye shape. The beak detail. So you're looking really closely, using your eyes to observe, and look really closely to draw what you see. So this is a great art skill to learn. Then you can place the bird in the setting that it's in, or you can use an imaginary setting. It's really up to you. So I'm going to place the bird in the setting that I see it in. So I'm going to draw a stick. Kind of goes up. And I'll make mine go down this way. And I could draw the legs. And they kind of wrap around the stick. The branch. Now if you make any mistakes, you can always erase and try again. You really only get really good with observational drawing by doing it a lot, by practicing. Drawing anything that you see. All right, now I have my bird and I have the branch. Now I can fill the space with other details, and you can draw imaginary details or you can draw details that you see. So I'm going to draw maybe a leaf. Maybe you want to draw a nest. I might draw another branch in the back around here. Thank you for being such great listeners and watching my video. Now, finally, at the bottom, and you could do the bottom right, you can sign your name. Now, you don't want to sign it really far at the bottom because Square One, when they scan your artwork, they're going to cut off a little bit of the top and a little bit of the sides and the bottom. So you want to write it like about 1/2 inch up. So I'm going to write Mrs. Paul, and I'm going to write the year. 2017, just so it doesn't get cut off, or you could choose not to sign your artwork at the bottom. It's really up to you. Maybe add another leaf here. You could add other creatures, little birds or bugs, anything you'd like to add to your picture to make it really creative. All right, friends, I think that takes us to the very end. So now your next step is actually going to be to raise your hand, wait for me to come around, take a look at your piece, give you the thumbs up, and trade out your pencil for a Sharpie. And your next step is going to be to outline or trace your picture. Until next week, when we add color. Bye-bye.